Two powerhouse frequent flyer programs, trusted by millions. But which one truly earns your loyalty in 2025? Delta SkyMiles or United MileagePlus? Which one really delivers? On the left, Delta SkyMiles, renowned for reliable service and spacious comfort. On the right, United MileagePlus, famous for global reach and redemption flexibility. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters for travelers. Each category gets points in our side-by-side showdown, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins where. The result just might surprise you.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to look at loyalty program value, credit card bonuses, earning miles, cabin experience, airline and partner reach, and on-time performance and reliability. If you're a visual person, just picture a roadmap with all these categories branching out. Yep, that's your travel brain right now.
Starting off, loyalty program value. With Delta SkyMiles, you're getting pretty consistent award pricing, especially if you're mostly flying in the US. It's solid, reliable, but here's the thing. There's no official award chart. So, yeah, sometimes prices go up for no reason. Plus, you don't have as many partners to burn your miles across. Now, let's flip over to United. United's part of Star Alliance, which is huge. I mean, the redemption options feel almost endless. And here's something cool. The excursionist perk. That basically means you snag a free one-way ticket inside a round trip. Also, elite status is easier to reach nowadays. But the catch? Award seats can be competitive, and some partners have sneaky surcharges. Still, United gets the win here. Next, credit card bonuses. Delta is kind of a show-off in this category. Their sign-up offers are usually pretty generous, sometimes even 10,000 to 20,000 more miles compared to United for cards in the same price tier. Oh, and those companion certificates? They're legit if you travel with friends or family. Seriously, that's like a hidden money saver every year. Downside, if you fly once in a blue moon, the annual fee might not be worth it. With United, the bonuses are solid, but typically not as high as Delta's. The advantage, though, is access to more global destinations using those miles. But again, not always as flashy on the welcome bonus. So, point to Delta here, no question. Moving on, earning miles. Both programs literally copy each other in terms of the basics. 5 miles per dollar for general folks, and up to 11 if you go full elite. Delta gives you more for top-tier status. That's always nice. But neither lets you earn on taxes and fees, which is kind of a bummer. Now, United does this neat thing where you can earn on partner tickets based on distance and fare. So if you're flying random airlines around the world, that's a plus. But overall, honestly, it's neck and neck. A total tie here. Oh, and random fun fact for my international travelers. United MileagePlus has something called the excursionist perk, which basically lets you tack on a free one-way flight somewhere in your round-trip award ticket. Getting creative with your itinerary? This can be a game changer. For cabin experience, Delta really brings it. Like, seats actually feel more comfortable, the LED lighting makes it look all fancy, and economy doesn't feel cramped. You know what I mean? Sometimes the mood just feels better. Downside? Less reach if you're going super far globally. United, on the other hand, does well with legroom and recline, especially in premium cabins. Their new planes are super modern, but not all of them. Some older planes just don't hit the same. So for overall experience, Delta takes this one. Let's talk airline and partner reach. Delta is great within the US and has SkyTeam partners, but when it comes to absolutely everywhere, it's decent. Not spectacular. United, though, massive flex with the Star Alliance network. Like, theoretically, if you want to find a way to Istanbul or Johannesburg using miles, United probably has you covered. Some of the partner award charts do ask for more miles, but the sheer amount of choice? Totally worth it. United is the winner here, hands down. Finally, on-time performance and reliability. Delta just crushes this category. They're almost always on time, lose fewer bags. Basically, they're the ones you call when you can't afford travel drama. Sometimes you'll pay a little extra, but for peace of mind, that's kind of okay. United is, well, good, but not Delta good. You might run into slightly more delays or mishandled bags. So yeah, Delta takes the reliability crown. If you look at the stats, United nudges ahead for global access and loyalty perks, while Delta shines in comfort and keeping your travel drama-free. Some categories are close, but a few have definite standouts. So, when you wrap it all up, Delta SkyMiles feels like the go-to if you want a comfortable, super reliable experience flying in the US. But if you're hungry for worldwide adventure and love making the most of your miles, United MileagePlus just gives you more doors to open. Personally, I'd go Delta for domestic, United for international. Let me know which one fits your style.
Hey, if you found this comparison useful, don't forget to bookmark it for your next trip. I've got plenty more travel breakdowns, so stick around and travel smart.